You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups. You don't like the hiccups, do you? Look at you. $6 in the flipping morning with the hiccups. Oh, tell me about it. Tell me about it. Where you think you're going? Where does him think he's going? Oh, poor baby. Alright, no nose diving, okay? I only got one hand on you. Look at my baby. Look at my baby, all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed at 6 o'clock in the morning. Good thing Daddy had the 2 or 3 o'clock shift, huh? While Mommy was a-snoozing. What you think about that? What you think about that? Are you hunting me now? Yeah. Oh, we don't like them hiccups, do we?